Hey guys, this is Dharmit. I work with CentOS Container Pipeline team, and over past sprint, one of the targets we had was getting the Dockerfile Lint checker up. So this demo is about showing how exactly the Dockerfile Lint checker works. Um, with that, let's get started. I'm currently logged into a system which is on DevCloud environment, and we are going to check the Docker images available. This is the Docker image that we are using. It's registry.centos.org/thermos/dockerfile lint, and it's getting built from this repo, which is Dockerfile Lint. So it's my fork of the Project Atomic's Dockerfile Lint checker repo, and the branch in question is pipeline. The Docker file that's being used is over here, and one of the major differences between the Docker file on Project Atomic under Project Atomic namespace and under my namespace is the entry point part of it, wherein I have mentioned that the root scan Docker file is the file that's going to be scanned by the scanner. Since that is the kind of a static value, we always need to make sure that we are mounting the Docker file from the host system to the container at the time of scan. Okay, so let's get started. Right, I have a Docker file over here under Container Pipeline Services. So the Docker file here. So I'm going to try and test out this Docker file. Docker file. Okay. Since we don't want to have the container lurking around once we are done with our task, we're going to have a --rm switch in front of it, and we are going to mount it under /root/scan. So we are not really mounting the specific Docker file, we are mounting the entire directory, and we need to give the name of the image. Where did it go? Oops. Not sure what went wrong there. Let's hope this works out. Okay, it did. So over here what it's doing is it's mounting Container Pipeline Service /pipeline scanner from the home directory on the host system under /root/scan directory inside the container, and it's simply executing the command dockerfile_lint -f and then the path to the Docker file, and then the rules file, which is under /opt. Okay, I'm guessing fonts are pretty small, so increasing the size. The rules file that is being used is /opt dockerfile lint config default rules.yaml. This rules file is available in this very repository. The cool feature of Dockerfile Lint checker is that it lets you provide your own rule file against which you can check the Docker file. So in our case, it's coming from default_rules.yaml. Okay, so the lint checker is simply going to report some errors and information messages if an image doesn't, if a Docker file doesn't have any issues as per the configuration file, the default rules configuration file, then it's just going to say check passed. And so far it has happened with me only for one Docker file, which is under CentOS Docker files repository, and it was an image CentOS 7 image Docker file for bind package. That's pretty much it from my side on the demo. Hope it was informative. Thank you.